Today I have two phones with me. On this one I've installed Clawdbot, and on this one I'm controlling the agent directly from Telegram. What's interesting here is that this Android phone is being controlled by an agent running locally inside Termux. There's no cloud automation involved, no remote desktop. It's running on the device. And it can open apps, change system settings, take screenshots, analyze what's on the screen, and even reboot the phone, all from Telegram. Alright, let's start by sending a few commands. I'll open the Play Store and search for Instagram. And as you can see, it opens the Play Store and searches automatically. Now let's try YouTube. Open YouTube. Play a video. It actually misunderstood that and played a Shorts video instead.
Oh my God, bro.
Now let's try something harder. Turn on dark mode from settings. For this one, it's taking screenshots of the phone in real time. Those screenshots are sent to the model. The model analyzes the UI, figures out where the relevant buttons are, and then sends back the tap actions. And there it is, dark mode is enabled. So this agent can open apps, search the web, call someone, send messages, even reboot the device. And again, all of this is happening locally. This isn't cloud-controlled automation. The agent runs inside Termux. The AI model processes the screenshots. It reasons about the interface, then it returns structured actions. And Android executes those actions using system-level controls. Now let's talk about installation. There are 3 ways you can use this agent, depending on how much access you have on your phone. First is rooted mode. This gives complete system control. It can simulate touches, capture screenshots, modify system settings, even reboot the device. This is obviously the most powerful setup. Second is Wireless ADB using Shizuku. If you don't want to root your phone, this uses Android's wireless debugging to grant elevated permissions. You still get full screen visibility. The agent can see the screen and tap buttons, and you don't need root access. Third is Basic Termux mode. This works on any Android phone immediately. It can launch apps, open links, check battery status, all using standard commands. But it can't see the screen. And it can't physically tap UI elements. The demo phone you just saw was rooted. But you can still achieve a lot without root. Now let's install it. First, install Termux from F-Droid. Do not use the Play Store version. Once it's installed, update the repositories using pkg update and pkg upgrade. If it asks for any selection, just go with the default options. Next, install the required packages, Node, Git, and curl. After that, paste the provided script. This script replaces the default ifconfig inside Termux with a modified version. It's required for the next steps to work properly. Then install OpenClaw using npm, but make sure you include --ignore scripts. We use that flag to prevent llama-cpp from trying to compile native binaries inside Termux. Without it, the installation may fail. Also, if you want better compatibility, you can install everything inside a prut or crut environment. Those environments include proper C libraries. Once installation is done, launch the OpenClaw dashboard. Just follow the on-screen prompts. For the model, choose based on your needs. I'm using Gemini Flash because I need multimodal capability for screenshot analysis. If you want to use Gemini, go to Google AI Studio, log in with your Google account, and generate an API key. Paste that key into the dashboard. If you want to connect Telegram or any other platform, just follow the on-screen instructions. I'm skipping that part here. I'm also not adding additional skills or hooks at this stage. After onboarding, we need 2 scripts, phonecontrol.sh and phoneagent.sh. Phonecontrol.sh handles instant actions. It launches apps, opens deep links, toggles settings. It uses Android commands like amstart and ambroadcast. Phoneagent.sh is the reasoning layer. It captures screenshots, sends them to the model, analyzes the interface, and then intelligently taps buttons to navigate complex apps. Both scripts will be available in the Git repository. I'll also provide a simple installation script so you don't have to type everything manually. Everything is updated on GitHub. The link is in the description. Now start the gateway. Run an OpenClaw gateway with logs. After you press enter, wait a few seconds. It may take a little time to initialize. You'll see logs appearing in the terminal as services start loading. Once it's fully running, look at the output carefully. You'll see the localhost address along with the port number. Copy that entire address. Open this IP in any browser. The OpenClaw dashboard should load. If it takes a moment, that's normal. And now the service is running locally on your Android device. Dashboard is open, but you'll notice something. It's not connected yet. The token isn't there, so go back to Termux. Open a new session or a new window. Now run this command, it will reveal authentication token. Once the token appears in the terminal, copy it carefully. Now return to the gateway page in your browser. Go to the Overview tab. Paste the token there. And within a second, it connects. Now the agent is fully linked with the gateway, and everything is running locally on your device. So this is Clawdbot running locally on Android, not automation scripts, not screen mirroring, a reasoning AI agent controlling the system. The full setup is available in the Git repository. Everything is documented. If you're serious about building real AI systems on mobile, this is just the beginning.